This is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Sora AI text to video feature. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. What is Sora AI? Well, Sora AI is a generative AI tool that creates realistic videos based on text input/prompts. Created by OpenAI, it can create characters, animal, landscape, perspective, stop motion, pictures, etc. based on the textual description provided by the user. So, text to video. Fundamentally, Sora is an AI content creation tool which takes inputs in the form of just a few words and creates videos as the output. Now, you could say show a flying saucer circling the Statue of Liberty during midday and create that video almost instantly. Also, Sora can generate high-definition videos with specific types of motion, subject, and background. Now, it's only at the moment you can generate AI content for only up to 1 minute. You can have multiple shots in a single video. So Sora AI can tell a story or make a compelling video, including multiple shots like zooming in, panning out, close-up, etc. And they have a consistent style and characters. Now, Sora AI pricing, well, it hasn't been released publicly, so we just have to wait for that. So, how to use it? Well, as the general public, you cannot use Sora AI as it's still unreleased. Currently, OpenAI is giving access to select group of artists, designers, and filmmakers to test the tool. However, you can read a comprehensive report on how Sora works on their website. It includes a number of technical aspects such as use of LLMs and visual data, duration, resolution, aspect ratios, framing and composition, ability to prompt with images and videos, as well as text, 3D simulation capabilities. So if you want to do that, go to openai.com/index/video generation models as world simulators. Some pros of using Sora AI is that speed, so it can create AI short videos in a few minutes, which would otherwise take at least a couple of weeks. Sora AI can generate dozens of videos without limitations of skills or time, like text-based AI paragraph generators, which can create content in minutes. The tool can create shots in wide-angle close-up, vertical, horizontal, and various other formats, requiring multiple pieces of equipment and retakes otherwise. You can also extend existing videos without additional product and effort. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like.